Hello guys, I just started a new blog. It's called senseandtravel.blogspot.com. It's a new type of blog which is going to be talking about different scents. Could be from recipes, stuff that you use, whatever that comes to mind. That when you smell it, it gives you a really, homey feeling, a good feeling. So whatever it is, just share it with us on there, and it's kind of a new venture. So I'll share some stuff. Some of my favorite things are from the rain and certain type of recipes. I love curry and all that stuff. So that's what we'll be talking about. Sense and travel. Who doesn't like to travel? I like going places. Just discovering new and hidden things. So just hit me up at senseandtravel.blogspot.com. Alright, see you.